시원한 바람이 불어오던 뉴욕의 센트럴파크 공원.
I forgot where I am.
두 명의 소녀가 함께 책을 읽고 있었는데 갑자기 공원 어딘가에서 비명소리가 들려오고
It's weird. Those people look like they're clawing at themselves.
그 순간 뒤바뀌기 시작하는 공원의 분위기. 공원을 거닐던 사람들은 갑자기 모두 움직임을 멈추고
Claire?
What page was I on?
함께 책을 읽던 친구는 이상 행동을 보이기 시작합니다. 그리고 공원에서 몇 블록 떨어지지 않은 뉴욕의 공사 현장에서도 사건이 발생하는데
Christ, Mackenzie fell.
공사 현장에서 벌어진 인부의 추락 사고.
Give him some room.
하지만 방금 전의 추락 사고는 앞으로 벌어질 끔찍한 재앙의 시작에 불과했죠. 생각을 정리할 시간도 없이 속수무책으로 떨어지기 시작하는 사람들. 과연 이 도시에서 무슨 일이 벌어지는 것일까요?
Look, I don't know if you guys have heard about this article in the New York Times about honeybees vanishing.
필라델피아의 한 고등학교에서 수업을 진행 중이던 이번 영화의 주인공 엘리엇.
What could be a reason the bees have vanished?
An act of nature and we'll never fully understand it.
Nice answer, Jake.
수업이 한창 진행 중이던 그때 교감 선생님이 엘리엇을 호출하는데 갑자기 어수선해진 학교의 분위기. 학교의 모든 선생님들은 한자리에 모여 현재 시내에서 일어난 사고에 대해 이야기를 시작합니다.
Central Park was just hit by what seems to be a terrorist attack. It's some kind of airborne chemical toxin that's been released in and around the park. The first stage is confused speech. The second stage is physical disorientation, loss of direction.
갑작스런 긴급 사태에 학교는 학생들을 조기 하교시키기로 결정하고
Hey guys. No.
Mother just called my cell again. She's hysterical. I told her the probability of something happening in Philadelphia is very low.
엘리엇의 동료이자 친구인 줄리아는 자신의 고향 집으로 함께 대피하자고 제안하고
I'll bring Jess and Yvette and I'll meet you at the station.
So do federal, state, and local officials.
한편 집에서 뉴스로 현 상황을 지켜보던 엘리엇의 아내 알마.
Are you packed?
Yes.
What are they saying?
They're evacuating New York City.
Well, our brains come equipped with a self-preservation mechanism to stop us from harmful actions. This new neurotoxin is basically flipping the preservation switch.
It makes you kill yourself.
미국 전역은 이 자살 바이러스를 피하기 위해 혼란에 빠진 상황이었고
Autopsies on the first victims confirm the toxin is a natural compound.
Hey Jess, where's he been?
She was at a shop across town. She got stuck in traffic. She's gonna take the next train.
Well, wait.
No. She wanted us to get on this train with Jess. She'd feel a lot safer.
Hey, Julian.
I'm really glad you chose to come.
Nice. Elliot, can I? You told him about the flight.
No.
최근 알마와 다투어 감정이 상해 있었던 엘리엇.
I'm gonna sit alone and cool off.
그렇게 필라델피아를 떠나는 엘리엇과 줄리안의 가족들. 같은 시각 필라델피아의 한 공원에선
Chilly, isn't it today, Sal?
Maybe a little.
그 순간 또다시 사건이 발생합니다.
You've got to stop calling me. You're acting like the fatal attraction guy here. We ate tiramisu together. That is it.
What? When?
수상한 통화를 이어가던 알마를 뒤로하고 엘리엇의 기차 칸에선
Apparently Philadelphia was just attacked.
Call mommy, call mommy.
They think it started in Rittenhouse Square Park.
Another park?
Hey, she got on a bus going to New Jersey. She's headed to the town of Princeton.
You okay?
They say Boston got hit too.
그런데 갑자기 기차가 한 마을에 정차해버리고
Sir?
Train service has been discontinued. This will be the last stop for all passengers.
You can't just leave us here.
We lost contact.
With whom?
Everyone.
기관사들은 안전이 확보되지 않은 역에 무턱대고 향할 수 없었기에 기차를 정차시킨 것이었고
Sorry. She whispers to us when she gets scared.
We're so much the same, Jess. I don't like to show my emotions either.
그렇게 이 작은 시골 마을은 때 아니게 사람들로 붐비게 되고
You know that everyone gives off energy, right? They got these cameras that can record what color you are when you're feeling different things. You see this ring? This ring can supposedly tell you what you're feeling. Ooh, yellow. That means you're about to laugh.
줄리안의 딸 제스의 기분을 풀어주려 노력하는 엘리엇.
Oh my God, look at this. It was taken an hour ago at the Philadelphia Zoo.
영상 안엔 당당하게 사자우리를 거니는 사육사가 찍혀 있었고 사육사는 무덤덤하게 사자의 먹이가 되고 맙니다.
They're not sure it's terrorists now.
하지만 정부에선 이번 사태의 원인을 전혀 파악하지 못하고 있었고
The event appears to be limited to the northeast, where smaller and smaller towns are being attacked.
Where are we?
Most of New England, from Massachusetts.
겁에 질린 사람들은 황급히 지역을 벗어나기 시작합니다. 엘리엇 일행은 근처에 사는 노부부의 도움을 받게 되지만
I can't get a vet on the phone or email or nothing. There's a car over there headed to pick up friends and family, and they said they could squeeze one more.
줄리안은 아내를 찾으러 프린스턴으로 갈 생각이었고
Think real carefully about this.
She was looking for a birthday present for Jess, some kind of dollhouse. That's why she wasn't with us. Look, I'm just gonna go get her, and I'm gonna bring her back, and I'm gonna find you guys.
줄리안은 딸 제스를 엘리엇에게 맡긴 채 아내를 찾으러 출발합니다. 짐을 챙기기 위해 묘목상을 하는 노부부의 집을 방문한 엘리엇.
I think I know what's causing this. It's the plants. They can release chemicals. You like hot dogs, don't you?
Okay, babies. We are going to be going. Plants react to human stimulus. They proved it in tests.
모종의 이유로 식물이 독성을 뿜어낸 것이라 주장하는 노인. 한편 줄리안은 마침내 프린스턴에 도착하지만 그곳은 이미 끔찍한 재앙이 휩쓸고 간 후였죠. 서둘러 들어오는 공기를 막아보지만 물리적으로 바깥의 공기를 완전히 막는 것은 불가능했고 결국 알 수 없는 바이러스에 감염돼 스스로 목숨을 내던지는 차량의 운전자. 가까스로 생존한 줄리안 역시 사고 능력을 잃고 스스로 목숨을 끊습니다.
We have to go through this little community of homes. A small town called Holcomb. Then we hit the highway from there. We're 30 miles from the state line.
하지만 이들이 가는 길 앞에 사람들의 시체가 널브러져 있었고
Please, give me the map.
결국 차를 돌려 다른 길로 돌아가기 시작하지만
Oh, it's the army. We're safe.
My name is Private Oster. I'm stationed at West Dover Military Base, about 10 miles back. I think they've been affected by whatever's happening. I lost communication with them.
바로 그때 다른 길에서도 몰려들기 시작하는 차량들.
Who's Joey?
Oh, it's no one.
About 8-9 miles back, they say there's a bus in a lake.
5 miles back. There were dozens of bodies.
주 경계를 빠져나갈 수 있는 모든 길이 이미 독극물로 타격을 받은 상태였고
This woman talking to her daughter. She's talking to her daughter in Princeton. Isn't that where your friend went?
You just stay in that room. You don't open the door for nothing.
이곳에도 프린스턴의 사람들이 모두 죽었다는 소식이 전해집니다.
Honey, you're talking funny. What's wrong with you? She's just not making any sense.
Calculus. I see in calculus.
It went from outside.
Oh no.
줄리안이 죽었을 거라 확신하게 된 엘리엇은 잠시 큰 충격에 빠지지만 사태를 해결하기 위해 다시 계획을 세우기 시작합니다.
Whatever's happening is happening to smaller and smaller populations.
그렇게 엘리엇과 군인이 내린 선택은
Now, this is Mr. Collins. He's a realtor that works in this area.
지도에도 나와 있지 않은 개발이 중단된 마을로 들어가 구조대가 올 때까지 버티려는 계획이었고
We should go into 2 groups.
그렇게 사람들은 도심지를 벗어나 비포장 도로를 통해 이동을 시작합니다.
What's wrong?
갑자기 고해성사를 시작하는 알마.
There was this guy, Joey. His name is Joey. He's at work. We went out and we had dessert. I'm feeling really guilty.
알마는 회사 직원과 눈이 맞아 하룻밤 일탈을 즐겼다는 사실을 털어놓고 한편 반대편에서 이동하던 노인은 본능적으로 이상한 느낌을 받게 되는데 갑자기 다투기 시작하는 사람들.
My firearm is my friend.
Private Oster.
My firearm is my friend.
몇 발자국 앞서가던 사람들은 이미 알 수 없는 이유로 무언가에 감염되어 버렸고
Those people killing themselves? We need to do something.
Just let me think.
원인을 알 수 없는 감염 경로에 사람들이 패닉에 빠지기 시작하자 엘리엇은 자신의 과학 지식과 현재까지 벌어진 사건을 종합해 가설을 세웁니다.
What if it is the plants? Maybe people are setting off the plants? What if they're targeting us as threats? Something in this field could be releasing the chemical into the air when there's too many of us together. Let's just stay ahead of the wind. Just break up into groups.
사람들은 불어오는 바람을 피해 뿔뿔이 흩어져 도망치기 시작하지만 사람이 바람보다 빠르게 뛰는 건 불가능했고 이들은 다가올 죽음을 겸허히 받아들이는데
Could this really be happening?
아무 일도 일어나지 않자 일단은 계속 이동하는 엘리엇 일행.
A toxin dissipates quickly in the air. They're only potent in a certain density. The source had to be close to that field, if not in the field.
You think it could be plants?
I don't know. But if it is and people are setting it off in groups, we need to go to the least populated place we can to be safe.
Why is this happening?
I read this article about the coast of Australia. It said they found large quantities of a primordial bacteria. It hadn't been around for billions of years. It just appeared in the water. It's toxic to humans. Fishermen who come in contact with it are dying. The nature of events like the one in Australia is that they crest and then stop. We just have to be alive when it's over.
최대한 사람들이 없는 장소를 찾아 다시 이동을 시작하는 일행들.
There's two groups coming together. There's too many of them together.
엘리엇의 가설대로 식물 근처에 많은 사람들이 모이자 갑자기 사람들이 이상 행동을 보이며 자살을 시작합니다. 식량을 찾기 위해 근처에 있던 집을 확인하는 일행.
Open the door.
Wait, I see something. There's somebody in there.
We have a little girl. We just want to get her some food.
You best leave now. You ain't gonna bring that poison gas.
집주인은 바깥에서 벌어지는 일 때문에 부탁을 거절하고
We're perfectly normal.
You ain't from around here. You best leave now.
Open the door, bitch!
Hey, Josh, don't do that.
There's more than one in there.
집 안에 들어가기 위해 급발진을 시작하는 잼민이들.
Show your faces!
버릇없는 잼민이들은 결국 참교육을 당하게 되고
No new people have crossed over the border for a few hours. It appears those residents that are still in the affected area of the Northeast are trying to wait it out.
It would seem fewer and fewer people can provoke the attacks. The event should be at its most sensitive tomorrow morning. Typically, these type of slopes drop precipitously after cresting, meaning it could end suddenly at any moment. Of course, these are only probabilities.
한바탕 난리를 넘기고 또 다른 집을 찾아온 엘리엇.
This house has no power going to it.
Nobody's driven on this driveway for a long time either.
엘리엇은 집안에 사람이 있는지 확인을 시작하는데
That's for Clement. He's a retriever.
홀로 살던 할머니의 도움을 받게 된 세 사람.
This is a beautiful place. There's a spring house in the back. They used to hide people from slave chasers back there. It has a speaking tube running under the ground to the main house. You can hear each other like you were in the same room.
뜬금없는 소리에 일단은 웃어넘기지만 갑자기 급발진을 시작하는 할머니.
Suppose I have to let you spend the night. Guest room's up on the left.
그렇게 어딘가 이상한 할머니의 집에서 하루를 묵게 된 세 사람.
Sorry about everything, that Joey thing. I was being stupid.
You've been great taking care of Jess.
I don't like this woman. There's something exorcisty about her. How could she hit Jess like that?
I hear you whispering. Plan on murdering me in my sleep.
What? No.
도무지 속을 알 수 없는 할머니 집에서의 하룻밤이 지나고
Mrs. Jones?
침대 위에 누워있던 것은 기괴하게 생긴 인형 하나.
Crazy lady.
You trying to steal my things?
No. I actually wanted to talk with you.
You all are gonna leave right now!
Ma'am.
갑자기 화를 내더니 밖으로 뛰쳐나가는 할머니.
Mrs. Jones, could we talk calmly for a second?
그 순간 할머니에게도 그 증상이 시작되고
Alma, shut the windows and the doors!
하지만 집안 어디에도 보이지 않았던 알마와 제스. 엘리엇은 집 안으로 들어오는 공기를 피해 구석으로 몸을 피합니다. 집안 어디선가 들려오는 두 사람의 목소리. 두 사람은 할머니가 저녁 시간에 말했던 뒷마당의 저장고에서 놀던 중이었고
Alma! Close the windows and the doors, Alma.
Why?
Mrs. Jones just died.
알마는 서둘러 창문을 닫지만 상황이 끝날 때까지 꼼짝없이 이곳에 갇히게 된 상황.
She was alone when it happened. It seems like they might have gotten more sensitive.
Too dangerous to go outside, isn't it?
Yes.
This is the end, isn't it? I wish you were here.
그렇게 기약 없는 시간만이 흐르고
You remember our first date?
You bought me the mood ring.
It turned purple when you wore it.
Then you said, that means you're in love. Then we checked the little paper chart and it turned out that purple meant I was horny. You love that.
I had no idea.
Elliot,
Yeah.
it's just making sure you're there.
If we're gonna die, I want to be with you.
결국 마지막을 함께하기 위해 밖으로 걸어가기 시작하는 엘리엇. 알마 역시 최후를 함께하기 위해 저장고 밖으로 발걸음을 옮깁니다. 그렇게 바람이 불어오는 들판에서 다시 하나가 된 부부. 그런데 거짓말처럼 이들에겐 아무 일도 일어나지 않았고
The event must have ended before we went out there.
마치 하룻밤의 꿈처럼 3개월의 시간이 흐릅니다.
You don't want to be late for the first day schools are open.
Oh, wait.
사고로 부모를 잃은 제스의 보호자가 된 엘리엇과 알마.
Plants and trees just can't pick up and move when they feel threatened like other species. They have only one option, to rapidly evolve their chemistry.
Why it started so suddenly on a Tuesday at 8:33 and then ended so suddenly at 9:27 the next morning.
To be perfectly honest, this was an act of nature, and we'll never fully understand it.
박사는 이것이 자연이 인간들에게 보내는 경고일 거라고 말하지만
I think the skeptics would believe that if it had occurred anywhere else. That's why most people believe it was the government.
그렇게 하루 동안 일어난 끔찍한 해프닝의 찝찝한 마무리와 함께 영화는 마무리되는 듯 했지만
Ah, je devrais amener mon vélo à l'appartement avant d'aller travailler. Viens à la fête de Nadia ce soir? Je devrais amener mon vélo à l'appartement avant d'aller travailler.
파리의 공원을 스치는 비명소리.
Putain, ça m'a fait peur. Je devrais amener mon vélo. Quoi? Oh mon Dieu.